Hello, welcome to InkyBay product customized tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how you can make any changes in the custom orders. Let's imagine a scenario. You get an email from your customer that they want to change a certain font after design and ordering. Now, you can think, how can you change the font for them without having another order? So I am going to show you how you can do that. For that, you need to go InkyBay admin panel and hover on orders. From here, click on all custom orders. From this order list, select that required order that you want to change for your customer. So click on that order. From customer details, click on show in designer. After entering the design lab, change the font from here. Then click on add to cart button. Then you will get this window. From here, you will see get a code button. So click on get a code button. From here, give all required information for custom code request. Click on submit button. After submitting the form, a alert message will pop up. Click on OK. After submitting custom code request message, you will get those code requests from InkyBay admin panel. So let's go to InkyBay admin panel. Hover on orders, click on custom code request. From custom requested code list, you will get the custom order that you change for your customer. So click on that order. Now you can see that order that you change for your customer without placing another order. From here, you will be able to download vector ready order file. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.